Today we're going to be doing the Homestyle bakes, the creamy chicken, mashed potatoes, and biscuits. So we have the potato flakes right here. Okay, so this is the biscuit mix. And this is the gravy with the chicken. First, we need to preheat the oven to 400. And while that is preheating, we're gonna have to mix the potato flakes and 1.5 cups of hot water into this baking dish. And I already have the water right here. And we have to pour the gravy over the potatoes. So it's opened. And then we gotta do the biscuit mix. So we just need 1/2 cup for that and the mix, obviously. We've got the bigger mixing bowl. We're gonna mix that in with the biscuit mix. Pour the mix in first. Then we're gonna stir it around. Then what we're gonna do after that is we're gonna make little biscuits.
We're trying to get in the wrong position.
All right, so now have that all mixed up. Then it's gonna be going in the oven. 30 minutes. All right, there it goes. 30 minutes is up. I'm going to get it out of the oven. Okay, looking pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip ours out. I'll let you know how it is. I guess I'll rate it for you guys. Some biscuit, potatoes, and some chicken, and there's obviously the gravy in there. One thing I would say is probably needs some salt, but other than that, good. I'd rate it probably 9 out of 10.
Follow for more.